Derek Lucasen and I said only go Edema Pafos Eofia Villarreal Omantimante and Wachi El Azerbaijan Yenya Karabak Abdown FK Womasu Tenefi Omani Chelsea Ebo 2-2 na the Tinsandra Chelsea gamer Ebasu Ewa Weno Eya Kolania friend William Estevao and the cashier first go Edema Chelsea and Wachi Abrantia Fence Leonardo Andrade Eba Tekano Edema Karabak Afe Abrantia Fence Marco Jankovic at the penalty Eba second go Edema Karabak and Sana Alejandro Garnacho every bench Ebenya equalizer Edema Chelsea Etiano Chelsea team and Karabak Ewo 2-2 elsewhere Ewo Netherlands Yenya Ayas Omotinafie Ewo Johan Cruyff Stadium Emma Galatasaray from Turkey Ebe Som Ekamiensa Wom Entimante na the tense Andra Gala Nigeria Omabrantina Fenese Victor Osimhen and about first goal after Victor Osimhen at the penalty about second goal and Sana Victor Osimhen as the penalty about third goal at the Matima je from se Galatasaray Etiano Galatasaray Ewa where Victor Osimhen one kwa ebo hat-trick Emma Mushe Ayas team no by 3-0 and watch Benfica at Nefie Ewa Estadio Dalu Ewa Portugal Ewa Lisbon Omunusu 1-0 Edma away sider je from se Leverkusen na Czech Republic Woma Blantina Fense Patrick and I said only go Edma Tima je from se Leverkusen after Belgium your club from se Club Brugge Woma Etnefie Woman FC Barcelona about 3-3 na the tense Andro and Shea game na say and Chekura and Abrantia je from se Nicolo Trisodi about first go Edma Club Brugge after Ferran Torres ever Tekano Edma FC Barcelona after Abrantia Fense Carlos Fob about second go Edma Club Brugge Emma Lami Yamal Esaba Tekano Carlos Fob Esaba Rigeni and the offense lead Edma Tima je from se Club Brugge and Sana Yebe game no and Abrantia Fense Christos Zolis ebate edi ongo ebate kano edema team from se Barcelona enti Andra Bansa and Club Brugge about 3-3 and wachi Inter Milan etnafie womu she 2 Emma Karat Amati womu te kanibako Lautaro Martinez one Abrantia Fense Carlos Augusto and she 2 goals edema Inter Milan and Sana Abrantia Fense Ofri Arad ebate kanibako Emma Karat Amati afa Manchester City womu tenafie Etian Stadium womu she 4 Emma team from se Borussia Dortmund womu te kanibako na Abrantia Fense full Foden and the first goal Edma the Sky Blues of Manchester City Ellen Haaland at the second goal Eba so Emma Abrantia Fense full Foden about third goal and Sana Abrantia Fense Waterman Anton Eba te kanibako Edma Borussia Dortmund yebe game 90+1 and Ryan Cherky about 4th goal Edma team from Man City and the Andra City Etihad woman share 4 Emma Dortmund woman te kanibako after Costa Orange Divalodrome France Andra team from se Olympic Marseille woman te fie lusu 1-0 Edma away side from se Atalanta na the tese no Marseille game eba so ne she game na se Anchekra and Belgium amakura na fan se Charles Di Catarari ekonya penalty e was no and wachi and Abrantia fan se Lazar Samasic eba the only goal Edma team je from se Atalanta and Tiano Atalanta team away woman se Olympic Marseille by 1-0 and wachi me come se Newcastle United Andra omutia fie St James Park woman se 2 Emma Alete Crowd Bebao woman Entimante Dan Ben and Jolinton and about 2 goals Edma Tima je from se Newcastle United and ano pen anyone sapina Edma Telefone na el show no so na mame fanto nim se after match week 4 e was UEFA Champions League no Bayern and Edikan na Bayern Munich 100% record woman out 12 points plus of 11 goals after Arsenal almost 100% record Arsenal team out 12 points woman so 11 goals after Inter Milan Tosumiansa, woman 12 points, almost 100% record. Woman kuta 10 goals. Man City tosu 9. Woman 10 points. After Paris Saint-Germain, woman 9 points. Newcastle United 9. After Real Madrid 9. And after Liverpool team no, woman so 9 points into top 8. UEFA Champions League standings no so. And now paying anyone sempina. And the material for you show no so. Now after say under games in Ebene and Uko UEFA under only 4 players ebai. Now almost say after match week 4 we end nominees for player of the week and woman adiaba omufa Galatasaray woman brand fense Victor Osimhen and what you follow Foden omufano woman for Club Brugge woman brand fense Carlos Fob under over 2 goals editor Barcelona and for omufa Mikel Merino wasina kan edema team from se Arsenal na yeka follow Foden winsem no we say under was 2 goals edema team she from se Manchester City na the manager fense Pep Guardiola abona baso na answer follow Foden over last season na Mandibon Enshada Enye this season full folding afan to my pefra. Now God dollar same fan to obianum say Adeba Kwan and Niaje and say under 4 goals at Ebaino and yet Ellen Halan Kwa and say Nemum Yenya 2 players at his around Cherky and after around Tefesa full fordia woman extra 2 goals at Matima and I say almost a goals Libby at Matima from say Manchester City and Niaje. Now Ogidia pass a full 40 form wino Ebabu Ama City Monday born I come Yentis the Sky Blues of Manchester City. Woman Jefferson Pep Guardiola.
This season is back. Yeah, the season. Not feel all of us. We struggled me first, so but it happened. But when Phil is in that level, when playing between the lines in the pockets, and it doesn't matter what happened. His first touch, his turn, and after his generosity, running and fighting, and as much Phil is happy and love and joy.
Okay, Man City manager and our tenant case Obana Kodana fans full of folding. Abaso and Nano Pioneer Wonsem, Emet for El Shonusana Champions League Sensemino. Yabas Nemo United States of America. Essence Andra Openia fans like no Messi. What Jinidi Pana Mami Messi. Essence Andra Oko Miami. Jesse Miami Omomeyo, your friend Francis Suarez. Andra or handy key to the city of Miami. Edma Abrante fans like no Messi. Now, sir, I was when you say Yadema will be a kind of say why a symbolic honor granted to positive influence. Not just say when you're in so papa or nipa so baby what energy recognition for positive and I say why a community and significant achievement. Not just obey why be a chess any panel. What one of my dear pa and Pesiana also no. Eti ando handi key Adama opinion. Jafan said line of Messi. Now Messi Kasabe ya the one semba. Now Messi say young fan to obianum say no wobunu obun kotobiano bompire adeba kwa kache rade na wade rade ase ene se yankopon ema ne talent na football wono ogitu se ene talent ne mom enya talent ne nko ena mana ye Lionel Messi we put in much effort we adwumaten ene nei wo fa ba bia obuabo ne dise ewia se sanse football eba ye ono Lionel Messi ena bon wonimbo na Lionel Messi si yamfa to obianim se osanyina no na otimi se talent ne ewo ne mu bon no onimbo nti na ni ajepa se yankopon ade adoma chedie sei Edum ono Lionel Messi and what Messi say you fan to obianim say 2022 World Cup na ogie no eni je na wonya na te say de ne yere ewo ye na wonya ba no sa eni je wo pepe eno nya ye na Messi say you fan to obianim say de na wo win World Cup no eno hu say wa chi bibia ewo wiase na emfa ne Ballon d'Or dodo na waje eno achi trophies na waje individual awards na waje no na onye World Cup na ha ne ye pa na ogidie pa say World Cup na waje na fedie em say adeso afri no so nani age say wono so waje World Cup e dey sini na so Messi say yamfa to obianum say 38 years na the things in the retirement no wonyan wana say wonya uncertain date say e da say eno person retire oguso ebo na after retirement on say players ni bua e bi say on person omuye coaches e bi say omo person e bi omuye football management ni ade ni mo Messi say yamfa to obianum say person a businessman ni mo the things say onyan take decision say a business way eno person and as a business way eno person say owie football and obe take his decision and no airline Messi and at this sansem atudwa Jeffrey United States of America na samra Europe e sanse amra UEFA Champions League no and then some bebre and by na my Barca highline na andra Belgium Barca esa kwato highline masa e ka dwen komulu su given by 3 goals to 2 na the tense team from say Club Brugge wo mo kwese 4 goal kra e ma reference Anthony Taylor wo run offside na Thierry Henry akasa ya ba sunemu andra post match interview Barca manager Francis Flick yebusa say u system aboy the opening and you bet dey pass obaji Champions League edesi now so esa say wo share Champions League of late omo gina ya na omo ntamo highlights ha esa say we yes you do later stages and as a final stages e was UEFA Champions League na we share team wo metima breaking highlight na omo be kire nemo manager ne gidi pass one team answer san and according to Hans Flick was say yamfa to obianim say was say Barca system na enye na Barca DNA na obono e Barca osesam Barca shebre enti de tense also mo ye no ma ye nemo highline de wom ebebo eno e Barca wom manager Francis Flick na this answer na tudwa na me ka Thierry Henry asem na on say Thierry Henry a former player and my team I from say Barca Thierry Henry say asem last season and o say e kan na oguso e kan wo kan de che Barca fon say omo boni say ya de a ene e be tin pa so ma Champions League yente former Barca player Thierry Henry
If you're a team now, if you didn't do your due diligence that Barcelona play a high line and you don't make a late run, you remember when Dortmund did it to them last year?
Yes.
You can go on goal every single time. Why would you put yourself in a situation when you're going to make yourself suffer alone? You defend the ball and you defend your goal. You don't just defend the ball when there is no pressure on it and you let people run left and right and then they have chances left and right every single time. That's not really something that you want to do. You're supposed to erase mistakes, not create them. You have a guy running on the side, just like Hakimi last time, feeding someone to tap it in. Like, you can't win the Champions League like this. It's very difficult.
Okay, and I former Barca player first at Thierry Henry, and I would take Otis or Casa Edache Barca. One manager first answer flex, oh yes, idea about Team Passa Barca, a bit magic UEFA Champions League, Edesio Monaso. Now, young free Barca and Sense, now young Command City. Esanse, Andra Rantia first, Ellen Haaland, Echo Shell go. Now, Unim said this is for club and country. Arantia first, Ellen Haaland, watch 27 goals. Now, Haaland, our former power, 17 games, and I would 27 goals. I had 3 assists. Now just a 30 goal contribution in 17 goals and I say 17 games and this season Elma Brantia Jefferson Ellen Haaland now say Ellen Haaland about 10th player and I say 10th all-time top scorer it was UEFA Champions League game now if it's a Champions League game by Obeto player and I say why player or Tosu Edua watch more goal now Dodika Cristiano Ronaldo has 141 goals and watching Lionel Messi Atosumino 129 goals. Yo, Arantia Francis Robert Lewandowski was 105 goals. After Karim Benzema has 90 goals. Raul Gonzalez Blanco has 71 goals. Yo, Ruud van Nistelrooy was 60 goals. Kylian Mbappe was 60. After Andriy Shevchenko has 59 goals. Yo, Arantia Francis Thomas Muller was 57 goals. And after Arantia Francis Ellen Haaland has 54 goals. It was UEFA Champions League. Name the attention Ellen Haaland. What the 52 games fewer. And I share 54 goals. Now I just say I want to answer what about 52 matches for I share 54 goals. It was UEFA Champions League game and I Ellen Haaland. Now under Chelsea game about it was Azerbaijano. Je say game now say Anchekra and Abrantia for say Romeo Lavia Eko Praye. Now Romeo Lavia Epran and Moises Caicedo and Beshem. Say Romeo Lavia Chelsea phone and say Amuntono. And I say Ebi Omunyan to Wasenka Krakra. Now on your fit said the Chelsea manager. Je fais Enzo Maresca omo captain fence Reece James no esanse Arantia fence Romeo Lavia emrebia de bebiano na we pra ando wasako prai na de me say can since 2023 Arantia ye fence Romeo Lavia we join Chelsea no when your injuries makumaku 8 na the things are 495 days and I what if you want him mobile and from Chelsea now only say 29 games per and about Edema Chelsea 177 matches now just say Casusro is say boy no Chelsea turn bears close to bears say 55 million pounds and Ekobani say the name say Chelsea Aboka and no I have say Romeo Lavia and I will pay at free stadium now I have a person say boy one Chelsea and Chelsea piano now we play now after the game and an manager je fais Enzo Maresca say ye fa to obianum say a shame and my Chelsea phone essence say I don't tell say Romeo Lavia omo tribia say boy obey fit nemum boy entimi anya fit nemum say and I say andona na okasa no na wonya hu the extent of Abrante say Romeo Lavia ni injury no omunya hu de potia Abrante say Romeo Lavia ebe tranche wonti mobo and for my Chelsea dem me say ka say wongwa ko scan na scan results ne ba eno me say Romeo Lavia anya bia no we 1 week 2 weeks and I say 1 month and no kakra a free Chelsea banana pay no jade won some MT for nyina e show no so na enkofo say omontia say Chelsea and Karabakh about a 2-2 draw na anno manager say no kre 2-2 drawn there and some fantasy Chelsea able 2-2 with Tima you from say Karabakh nemum want me and kase Karabakh for the ball omunimbo womanimbo pa andra omo try na intention say and I say intentional say omo your rotation na manager na say come wake up at Chelsea kobo and affect Chelsea pa yente Chelsea manager you from say Enzo Maresca.
Yeah, I think I tried to explain already many times. We have player. The intention tonight was to rest Enzo, to rest Moy, to rest Malo, to rest more players because they are not able to play every 3 days. They didn't recover from last season. As you said, the Club World Cup affect a lot. And we try to do, we try to rotate when you win. No one mentioned about that. I know that when we don't win, everyone is, focused on that. But now I think it's important to recover energy for Saturday and go again.
If You're a team now. If you didn't...
Okay, the Blues of Chelsea manager Enzo Maresca and I would take Chelsea manager and Kase or Kase Nano Peno. Jalen voice Emma Tilfoina El Shono so. Na Andra William Estevao on the first goal. Edema Tima, you're from Chelsea. Na Estevao William was back-to-back Champions League matches and as it goes, Edema Tima from Chelsea. Na yes, William Estevao Abe first player where under 18. Our office South America was back-to-back Champions League goals. Na chese oko South America players empepina omuni 18 years omufiwo na omaba Europe no go bia no back to back Champions League matches wa goals eno aya brantie fence William Estevao won na esa record na no pen ede wonsem emetifo nyina e show no so na me kase Ellen Haaland eguso a oba adwuma na Ellen Haaland unim se me kase no go be first player in the history of UEFA Champions League what it and I say watch 5+ goals na chese match go Edema 3 different teams. Now the me say can say 2019-2020 season 5 consecutive matches ni na was go. Edema team from say RB Salzburg and watch 2020-2021 season was 5 consecutive matches Edema Borussia Dortmund and after 2025-2026 season 5 consecutive matches and was go. Edema Manchester City. I just say Ellen Haaland na repompa. Now so far only 3 clubs but on say already many can catch us omo and kuta perfect record and I am a team from say Inter Milan after Arsenal and after team she from say Bayern Munich now unim say teams now omo free England no this season UEFA Champions League omo bojuma pa say over table now from 1 to 12 sir 5 teams are omo nyina England no omo nyina from 1 to 12 num Arsenal at the second team from say Man City the 4th, after Newcastle United at the 6th, Liverpool at the 8th, Tottenham Hotspur at the 10th, and at Chelsea, woman so at the 12th. I just say England teams no omuba jumapa. Na Marco van Basten, a former player, at my team, you're from say AC Milan. Na Marco van Basten was your Ballon d'Or quadre. I just say when he bought Andra after say Barca and the club would give me Banaviano. Marco van Basten said when you referee Anthony Taylor and ya Jane. It's say American catch us a team. She from say club bridge Nhyira woman ya 4 goal Emma referee no wokoshe video assistant referee euru gone out na according to Marco van Basten was say yemfa to obi say 4 goal na was say gina esan say abrantia your friend said West Sesame player no anya no hwe wono ankasa ene ne nan ekobo player ne namti onim de ntia Anthony Taylor esebon foul na player na ye kan wansem na ankasa your friend Carlos Fob under over 2 goals enemy team from say club bridge when he say post match interview player na ankasa say David wono aka no kro kwa sorry na asori no ko ntimi twantro na de be kan nyina ne say ne nan ekobo no ne nan ekobo goalkeeper no enti de betima aka ne say na foul enti right decision and Anthony Taylor taking as a Marco van Basten asem be kan wabo atogu eno Carlos Fob and the sansem atudwa na Andra Belgium before say game no club chance no you say Barca supporters omo buy and omo the bus and buy yenkore eja and the bus mu na esi dey and the bus aba stadium na eja dam buburu de me say kan say yenya club supporters bi omo wura bus num ena omo di ja ekotum eno ti ena ma Barca Andra Barca supporters omo di buy no a shake Gribesa, the Mimi second investigation, Eguso Ecoso, or more, and I say, wa, Gombeso Mubiano. Wemla enu bedi de me se kan so omachini babako enti eno no mando cross o Belgium yere wonsem ematefo nyina e show no so na se okọ team from say Paris Saint-Germain e pra e team from say Paris Saint-Germain na after say Brent first Ashraf Hakimi woko plan okọ team from say PSG de me se kan say your players best say best of 4 omu nyina pra eno aya Brent first Ashraf Hakimi Osman Dembele after Nuno Mendes and after Desire Doué omu nyina pra na de tesa Ashraf Hakimi dia no wo se wonya sprain ne left ankle na chese ne nai bonkum na epono so ba bi no ho na brante a ye friend say Ashraf Hakimi akopra once enche na AFCON eba so Morocco Morocco man na ho so AFCON omu key player ba ko brante a the friend say Ashraf Hakimi de me say kan say Ashraf Hakimi wo ba me say best 7 to 8 weeks one team mobile from Morocco man no and of Paris Saint-Germain na de me say kan say Walid Ouadraogo one manager anima Morocco the Atlas Lions the Tibiano Wale Abrantia first Ashraf Hakimi ebeko nemom group stages matches ebeba so AFCON no Abrantia first Ashraf Hakimi enti mobi nemom omode nebeko afi Osman Dembele oko Paris Saint-Germain womo se ni injury left calf ena Abrantia first Osman Dembele akonya injury omugu so omoye treatment edema Osman Dembele womo se next few days no Osman Dembele ne omba tona for bobo edema tima je from say Paris Saint-Germain Nuno Mendes ono ne de left knee na chese nikoto bonkum no eho ena Nuno Mendes akopra na de me second so ono so next anase next few weeks Abrantia first Nuno Mendes go be available for selection Desire Doué de me second an injury no afa en wa rehabilitation ase into ono de am say ebe check akra eno after FIFA international break no ena Abrantia me friend say Osman Dembele anase Abrantia first Desire Doué rather oba we sina ka enema team from say Paris Saint-Germain na Gubanov wono coach enema quarterback wakasa na o se annual game about against Chelsea no waka che ne boys in Chelsea no munya domo munyi munyam na mo press mo na mo no mo ampa ane no mo yen afa pa na andra do betima ka say good news anma Azerbaijan go football say o munya point e dey Chelsea na andra enya den eno achi go mo kire ade afa say character ansa na omudinya 2-2 e dey Chelsea eno coach anima team France quarterback and the Sansem Atuja na former Tottenham Hotspur player anasa yes former Tottenham Hotspur player Jimmy O'Hara na O'Hara say one Chelsea da say Chelsea spend over best of £4 billion na okwa away to quarterback na nkobo 2-2 na Tottenham Hotspur na nkofo taka so omasan last season wo mo che quarterback omo yemu adwuma kama na say City and say Liverpool and Espanyol kan nkofo be kapa and kan nkofo be ka say Chelsea spending small players and I say young players and Chelsea wo mo add eto one trust Maresca ba kokra wonyi Maresca ni say obetimi ni Chelsea edu boshe assassin so eno Jimmy O'Hara and the Sansem Atuja Victor Osimhen under about 3 goals and my team je from say Galatasaray na obekia last game before Andra game no we about 2 goals and the Bodo Glimt na oko Galatasaray obe first player wash a brace back to back UEFA Champions League and wachi Abrantia first Victor Osimhen Andra and I was saying 160th game and my club and I said the clubs are wabo nyina Andra and Abrantia first Victor Osimhen was 160th goal now 275 matches and they say 160 36 assists and 3 trophies na chesa Abrantia first Victor Osimhen wo ba dwuma pa na de tensa aboye wadaroma ko ase odi mame esan say me the picture bi atu DM say ye ho dwuma mame na de tensa Abrantia first Victor Osimhen de me say kan say upe players in major European competition na wabo matches atotos na o she goals Abrantia first Victor Osimhen abatoso enum na de odi kan Cristiano Ronaldo obo 11 games European competition ni nyina no she goal and which Robert Lewandowski 9 games ni nyina no she goal Abrantia first Lukaku wabo 9 games ni nyina no she goal afa Ruud van Nistelrooy 9 games and afa Victor Osimhen one also adding the about 9 games and no pay no jere won some MTF for nyina show no live on Nhyira 104.5 FM na de tente and some kito why de tente say ene ojo emso si ojo de be dia no se we be go frame na no pay o
za ade ombo drone india
mo wana oye voice note mame and was afre me
I see
now we say ene Manchester United and then amudi 39th years anniversary
okay
now anniversary now make can the make us say ene 39 years pepepe Manchester United appointed Sir Alex Ferguson
okay that's fine why be there's that
now oshe mine na why adwuma
oh yeah Alex Ferguson there
about 1,500 matches or we need 885 or 38 trophies Premier League 3 Community Shield 10 Champions League 2 FA Cup 5 League Cup 4 Club World Cup 1 Cup Winners' Cup 1 International Continental Cup 1 now okay. We're the greatest manager
the great Sir Alex Ferguson just that post Ferguson na ankuyi ya ntutu ya niema yi ono anso amwan
obvious obo amopa
no me person me chere say what in terms of trophies he did so well but all be kon wan tutu na chi sana person chere I don't know say ono na anya niema ya amayo said that time so no board in the management no so na anya niema yi I think post Ferguson dem say niema ankuyi ama Manchester United nti no amakobo 2-2
ebo
na de obi se mokobo anga
boys no boy nkran
ede nkran bay
18 nkran
eno mi game na de bi na bam tiri bekai ebra kotoko team no I said that time grand name say nani amponsa time na omuko menhia openso e ka say oh me batina akonya nsu yi asantime wura me bibia me ye bia ekoyi na so me kotoko nko na egumani mase ese so we Premier League clubs yo mo Champions League ya obia ya de enso yanom kwa etomo asu so ombe gu Premier League nani mase adai quarterback
oh David.
What do you say quarterback?
The last time we go UEFA Champions League United. Now money Bayern Munich,
Galatasaray.
And Copa.
Senior him says Mboy say anke Manchester Mko boy. Anke United ko boy.
Last season catch them with na Bobo League no.
Say dey.
Out here say mo fa kwati kwan so ko boy.
Say na empebre. Ke fetch.
Champions League abrefo na ebo. Enti no.
Auntie, opim so say oh, me betina. Ben yo see. Bibie ko ye me kotoko nko na egumani mase. Is a Premier League clubs in the Champions League they are performing so well. Chelsea nkwa red card FCC ye be gumani mase.
Still na ebe qualify.
Yo yati.
No problem.
We am say a rotation amwe.
Rotation.
No omo boy no. Omo Chelsea players.
Okay,
sorry kwe. Em find the cost and so na into adwumade no so insurance for